While everyone else is screaming, "New year, new me," your brain has been quietly rewriting you all year long, through every hard boundary and tiny decision that never made your social feed. If you judged this year by only visible achievements, you'd miss 90% of the upgrades your nervous system has already made. So now we're going under the surface to lock in the new programming that isn't about goals. This is a guided recalibration of your identity at the belief level, your self-talk, and your automatic reflex. Get comfortable, close your eyes if you'd like, and let yourself settle into this moment. Notice the weight of your body wherever you're resting. Feel yourself becoming heavier, more grounded, and as you breathe, imagine yourself descending, not into sleep, but into an awareness, past the noise of the day, past the demands, past the performance, down into the part of you that's been watching, learning, evolving. Whether you noticed it or not, your subconscious has been working this whole year, adjusting, refining, preparing you for who you're becoming next. At the start of this year, there was a version of you who believed certain things about yourself, about what was possible, about who you had to be. Some of those beliefs were helpful. Some you've quietly outgrown. You might not have even noticed the moment it shifted, but somewhere along the way, you stopped forcing yourself into shapes that no longer fit. You stopped defending versions of yourself you've already left behind. You began trusting yourself in small, quiet ways, choosing differently when old patterns tried to reactivate, recognizing when something or someone was no longer aligned, and letting it go without drama, without explanation, just release. That's growth. Not loud, not performative, just becoming. Think of identity as a structure. Some parts of who you are foundational, unchanging, but other parts are scaffolding, temporary supports you needed while you were building something new. And this year, you've been dismantling scaffolding, piece by piece, as the structure beneath became strong enough to stand on its own. Maybe you let go of a relationship that no longer fit. Maybe you walked away from a version of success that wasn't actually yours. Maybe you stopped waiting for permission and started trusting your own authority. Whatever it was, your identity is stronger now, not because you forced it, because you allowed it to evolve naturally. And as you prepare for the new year, you're not starting over. You're building on what's already solid. Imagine yourself 3 months from now in a situation that 6 months ago would have pulled you back into old patterns. But this time, something different happens. You pause. You recognize the pattern. And you choose differently, deliberately, not through effort or with a struggle, but with clarity. Because the infrastructure has changed. Your identity, your self-concept, your internal authority are all stronger now than they were. And they'll continue to strengthen as you continue to evolve. not into who you think you should be, but who you actually are right now when you stop performing. This recalibration is already happening. You don't need to force it or announce. You're simply allowing what's already unfolding to continue. When you're ready, take a deep breath and slowly begin to bring your awareness back to this room, this moment, this body, feeling more solid, more grounded, more authentically yourself. Open your eyes when you're ready. Welcome to who you're becoming.